what is going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to be basically showing you how to use Exitlag. What are the use cases for Exitlag? What are the best settings, and does it actually work for majority of people? Alright, so we're going to get into basically what Exitlag does. So what Exitlag does is basically it reroutes your packets in a certain way where it should improve ping or improve lag, as they say. So what does this mean? Your internet connection sends packets through download, you're downloading packets, and you're uploading packets, right? So whenever you edit, you're basically uploading packets as an import. You're uploading it to the online game. Whenever somebody shoots you in game, that's a download packet. So basically all that is happening at obviously very fast time. So basically whenever you have packet loss, this is whenever you don't know if either one of those happened. So probably press to edit in game, on game like Fortnite, you press to edit the building and it'll just blank out. It wouldn't edit because there's packet loss. You lost the packet, it couldn't upload the information that you just pressed, right? Same thing for download. You would get shot, or you shoot and it's blanked, or you get shot and you're dead and you didn't even know you got shot. So that's why packet loss is a major issue. And if you have packet loss, you need to check your wiring. You need to make sure you're not using Wi-Fi. You need to make sure you're on an Ethernet, a cable connection. And if you're using a Wi-Fi extender, you're still on Wi-Fi even though you're connected to the Wi-Fi extender through Ethernet cable. It's not in Ethernet. Ethernet is plugged straight to the modem or straight to the router. But you need to make sure your buffer bloat is decent, and that's a topic for another video, or go look at my network video where I explain buffer bloat, what that is, how to improve it, what router to get to improve it, and if you can improve it at all with your current router. So let's move on to basically the settings of Exitlag. So a lot of people complicate this, and I don't see why. So you search up your game and you literally just do game region, and then you do your region, or you can manually select. So manually selecting, this is basically gonna cause some issues because there's gonna be different servers for the game, or it's not gonna be able to route it perfectly fine, and you might get kicked out of like matches and stuff like that. So you don't want to use that. All right, you want to use North America or whatever region you are, right? And then let Exitlag do his thing. All right, so advanced routes right here. Do not do anything with TCP, guys. The game, it uses UDP. Whoever is like putting ones and zeros in TCP, that's doing nothing for you. So routes, UDP, these are the routes to send information. You could try 4 if you're getting packet loss, and yeah, you just press apply. You press apply right here. So really basic, nothing really to basically change that is like super significant and that will help. So let's get back to basically the first 3 points I made in the beginning of this video. How does Exitlag work? Does it work for you? And is it actually like worth it? So Exitlag is only going to be worth it if you have bad routing. So what does this mean? So you have an internet provider, right? You either have Spectrum, Verizon, AT&T, Comcast, basically any of those. It might be different on where you live. Basically, if you don't have the best one, if you have like some underground internet provider that you're paying and it's like super bonky, they're most likely gonna have bad routing, right? They're not gonna be able to route you efficiently to servers around the world. And Fortnite, I'm pretty sure, uses Amazon cloud servers, right? So if you're getting bad routing to the Amazon cloud servers, you're gonna have basically issues and ping issues and basically packet loss, that type of stuff. So you need to make sure first your internet provider is good, is decent, has a good routing. If they don't have good routing, go call them up, see if there's something they think they can do about it, see if there's an issue within their system, or if they need to update something within your hardware for your network. Just make sure you call your internet provider every single time you have an issue with your internet regarding packet loss, or regarding just weird spikes within certain days, or just consistent problems basically, because those always redirect back to stuff within your internet. There's only so much you can do within Windows to fix like packet loss or ping and any of that, but even then you can't do that much. So that's basically the use case for that. So if you have bad routing or a bad internet provider, then you would use Exitlag and it will help you. If you're on Wi-Fi and using Exitlag and you think it's working for you, you're hard coping because you're on Wi-Fi, and it's okay. Just get on Ethernet, but stop telling people to use Exitlag and telling them to waste their money on this because they're on Wi-Fi. That's not how it works. You don't know how the software works, so stop telling people to use it if you don't know how it works. Alright, so now we're gonna go to tools, and a lot of people change stuff in here. Just do enable Exitlag at the start, and that's all you need. That's all you need to do, right? Just open up Exitlag whenever you basically open up your PC and it will enable. So do you need to change any of these other things, no, leave these alone. You could probably disable IPv6 whenever enable, because only businesses use IPv6 unless you're some type of special internet provider that has to use IPv6. Most of you are using IPv4, and IPv6 is not like needed, so you could disable that. But anyways, smart optimization, you could also do this, and real-time optimization, you could do these two. You can enable both of these and you should be good. But generally, the less you touch, the better, because like they have it optimized. They're not going to give you software with non-optimized settings. That's not how it works. Is that the software is literally just to fix your routing issues if you have any. If you don't have any, the software will most likely do nothing for you. So FPS boost, literally don't touch anything. Alright, if you want, you could, but I'd recommend doing all of this on your own without using this program. All of these you could do yourself, literally. You could do them all yourself. But anyways, don't touch anything in here. Traffic shaper, don't touch. Multi-internet, don't touch. Diagnostics, don't touch. New game request. This is a request, so this doesn't have to do with anything with the settings. But yeah, go back to home, and basically you would obviously check this. You want this to be checked. And then advanced routes, literally leave this. Alright, every game nowadays is using UDP. There's literally no games using TCP. Alright, TCP is super old, and not a lot of games are using it. Alright, so you have to know that your game is using TCP for you to even do this. Obviously, Fortnite isn't, so it's not going to use it. Maybe some different game has it, I'm not sure, but Fortnite, and because mostly Fortnite players use this software, it doesn't use TCP. So if you're watching a video that told you to increase this, the guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Set this back to 0, set this back to 2, apply, boom, you are done. Alright, don't overcomplicate software like this, and don't try to cope with it and say that it's working for you just because it feels better or whatever. There's actual improvement, there's If there's no actual improvement, just stop using it. There's no need. Alright, so again, people with bad routing issues, so this could be like people in war-torn countries, or people with just bad internet providers, people that are in basically countries where there's just general bad routing, so this helps them. So it really depends on the use case. It really depends on if you need this or not. So again, bad routing, use Exitlag. If you don't have bad routing, and if you're just coping because you're on Wi-Fi, then get on Ethernet and stop coping. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want to basically get the best PC optimization service, book down below with my link to my scheduling website. I just released a new operating system that is included in my ultimate and advanced PC optimization service, where Microsoft Store and Faceit and basically every game you could think of is supported, and you will get lower input lag, better FPS in the games that you're playing right now. So I also have another announcement to make. If you want the best PC possible, instead of getting the best service, you just want to basically build a new computer, but you don't know how to build one, you don't know what the best parts are, and you want it basically everything done for you. Visit the other link in the description to buy a customized PC that is built by me, optimized by me, tuned by me, and literally everything's done for you by me on that PC. Then I ship it to your house. All you do is plug it, play your game, slower latency, better FPS, and better input lag. So to order that with the link in the description. Order it ASAP. Once stock is run out, it won't be available for a pretty long time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you found the use case for Exitlag, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.